So hi guys, welcome back to the new video of Legend Physics. In this video we're gonna discuss about wheatstone bridge, but it neither composed of wheat or stone nor bridge. So now our question arises, what is a wheatstone bridge? So a wheatstone bridge is an electrical circuit used to measure an unknown electrical resistance by balancing two legs of a bridge circuit, one leg of which includes the unknown component, and here component is referred to as a resistance. Now let's move on to the practical part where I have constructed a small wheatstone bridge. Here I have taken 4 white color 4 volt LEDs. I have used LEDs in spite of using resistance so that we can easily see whether our current is flowing or not, as when current will flow through the LEDs, our LED light will glow, whereas in resistance we would not be able to see that our resistance is working or not. I have also used one 4 volt blue LED light. Now let's check whether our lights are working properly or not. Yes, now you have seen that our all 5 lights are working properly. So now let's skip to the next part of the construction of wheatstone bridge. Now you have to bend the light in this shape, and you have to do this with all of the lights, leaving the 5th blue one light. Now you have to arrange the lights in this manner and then solder it with the help of soldering iron, whereas you have to place the blue light in between them. Now I have soldered all 4 lights. The red wire shows the positive and the blue wire is negative terminal. Now let's check whether our system is working or not. Yes, our system is now working quite pretty well. So let's skip to the next part of the construction of the wheatstone bridge. We have to attach the small blue LED in a direction opposite to that of a power supply, like this, as you can see in the video. I have covered the joint of LEDs with the help of a black tape. Now our wheatstone bridge is almost ready. For further elaboration of wheatstone bridge, let's go to the paper part. Here you can see a simply constructed wheatstone bridge with resistance R1, R2, R3 and R4. Now I place my constructed wheatstone bridge on top of it. The current comes from the positive terminal and it divides it into 2 parts, I1 and I2. I1 go to the R1 and R3 resistance, whereas I2 go to the R2 and R4 resistance, whereas there is no any current drawn through the R5 resistance, which means if we give power supply to our wheatstone bridge, our all 4 bulbs will glow, whereas the 5th bulb, which is blue in color, will not glow. The voltage in all 4 bulbs / resistance is 4 volt. Now let's come to the formula and calculation part. According to wheatstone bridge formula, R1 by R2 should be equal to R3 by R4. Now let's check whether the formula is true in this case. Here R1, R2, R3 and R4 all are of 4 volts, and the resultant which we get is 1 by 1 is equals to 1 by 1. Now we will give a power supply to our wheatstone bridge and check whether it works properly or not. The red terminal is positive and the blue terminal is negative. So as now you can see our wheatstone bridge is working properly. So to make you guys sure, now we will give a power supply to a blue LED to check whether if it is working properly or not.
Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe the video.